Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Sing Business Guide. Today we are going to talk about Upwork. As you all know, it can transform your business whether you are an entrepreneur, a small business owner, or a freelancer looking to succeed in the gig economy. Our challenge is your go-to resource for tips on how can you get your Upwork profile optimized. Join us as we unlock the potential of Upwork to help you grow, thrive, and achieve your business goals. So let's get started. Now I will tell you how you can get the basic profile optimized. First thing that you should do is to fill the personal detail on your Upwork profile. Then add a front-facing profile picture as it would look more professional and you can be identified easily. Third thing is the profile title, which should be according to your niche. For example, if you are working in digital marketing and SEO and PPC is your expertise, then your profile title should be SEO and PPC expert or something that specify your work. So next, we will move on to the profile description. Your description should have your main title keyword in the first 200 characters and should also have related keywords throughout the description. This will explain your work in depth. So now we will move on to the work history. While explaining about your work history, you should add keywords from your main title. For example, if you are an SEO expert, then the history will include keyword like SEO for travel website, etc. Guys, you should know that on your Upwork profile, whatever skills you are mentioning, it should only revolve around your niche. People usually add all the generic keywords, but you need to understand that more the keywords are specific, more likely you can rank your profile on Upwork. Now let's talk about the portfolio, which is one of the main factors to grab a project. So be careful while adding a portfolio. In your portfolio, you should explain about your client's problems, the goals you planned for that, and the solution you performed, rather than explaining about your client business. As we see that most of the people make that mistake, you definitely shouldn't do that. One main point is you should always add your education certification, which is exactly related to your niche, which will get more attention from clients. The more specific is your profile, the more chances are there that you get invited by the clients. You should make sure you mention your employment if you have been a freelancer from starting off your career. All these points will help you to complete your Upwork profile and also help you to give you visibility on Upwork. So if you want a video on how portfolios are made or how to prepare a project catalog and how to get badges on Upwork, then comment the topic in our comment section and we will provide you video on that topic in detail. So don't forget to subscribe our channel so you'll never miss out on the latest updates and valuable information that can supercharge your business on Upwork. Let's embark on this journey together as we navigate the exciting opportunities that Upwork has to offer. Thank you.